Gemini just changed overnight, and most people have absolutely no clue. 5 updates dropped all at once inside the Gemini app, and one of them feels like actual magic when you see it work. The rest are quietly huge, the kind of updates that don't make headlines but completely change how you'd actually use this tool day to day. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you a fix that power users have been begging Google for and almost nobody's talking about it yet. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Okay, quick bit of context before we get into it. Gemini drops are just the regular packs of new features Google quietly adds to the Gemini app. They barely make any noise about it, no big press release, no fanfare. The features just appear one day and it's on you to actually notice them. So if you're not paying close attention, they slip right past you completely. That's exactly what happened this week. 5 separate updates landed at once, and most people using Gemini right now don't even know they're sitting in their app. First up, image templates. Gemini just added 12 brand new ones, all powered by Nano Banana, and they're built around theme colors. You pick your theme, and Gemini builds out stylized images using the real colors and branding ready to share instantly. But here's the part that actually matters. You're not stuck with the defaults. You can open the template gallery, pick whatever style catches your eye, and remix it with your own details. So the templates on a cage, they're just a starting point you can push in any direction you want. Update 2 is the real showstopper here. You can now create images directly inside Gemini Live. You hit the live button, share your camera, and just talk. You say what you want to see or what you want changed, and Gemini handles it on the fly using Nano Banana. There's no long, awkward prompts you have to type out and tweak 5 times. You speak, and it happens in real time right in front of you. That's a completely different way of working with an image tool than anything we've had up to this point. Update 3 is built for anyone actually running a real operation. You can now securely connect your Google Business profile to Gemini and use something called Business Notebooks. Think of it as a private workspace that genuinely knows your business. You feed in your own docs, your notes, your past conversations, and Gemini gives you answers shaped around your actual world, not some generic template answer. Tailored ideas, ready-made drafts, clear next steps, all built around what you actually do. One quick note though, it's rolling out in most places right now, but not yet in the UK or Europe. So if you're over there, you might have to wait a bit. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, before I get into the last 2 updates, I want to pull back for a second because there's a pattern here that's easy to miss if you're just skimming through the list. Look at what actually just happened. Making branded graphics used to mean hiring a designer or spending hours fiddling with something yourself. Now, it's a quick remix. Editing a photo used to mean nailing the perfect prompt on the first try. Now, you just talk to your camera like a normal person. Getting answers that actually fit you used to mean explaining the same background information over and over every single time. Now, a notebook just holds onto it for you permanently. See the thread running through all of this? Every one of these updates quietly cuts out a step. And that's a bigger deal than it sounds like on the surface. Because what actually stops most people from using AI isn't that the tool is too weak, it's that it's a little bit annoying to use. One extra step, one more thing to figure out, and people give it a try once, feel that small drag, and slide right back into their old way of doing things. When that drag disappears, that's when it actually sticks and becomes part of how you work. Update 4. Gemini can now help you track down the right app on Google Play without ever leaving the chat window. Instead of scrolling through the store yourself for 10 minutes, you just say what you need. Something like, find me a simple app that does this one specific thing, and Gemini pulls real pics directly from the Play Store and points you straight at them. It turns a long, tedious search into one quick question, and it cuts out a ton of pointless tapping around. Okay, last update, and honestly, this is the one I've been waiting for. Google finally fixed what I'd call a paper cut, one of those small nagging problems that bugs you just a little bit every single day without being a huge deal. This one was about thinking levels. Thinking levels let you decide how hard Gemini actually works on a question. You keep it fast for simple stuff, or you dial it up for the heavy lifting like code, deep reasoning, or long summaries. The old problem was you didn't get the same controls on every device you used. Now, thinking levels work across web, iPhone, and Android, so it's the same power no matter where you're actually working from. And the extended thinking mode is free for everyone, which honestly is the part I love most about this whole update. So a few quick tips before you go try any of this. With the image stuff inside Gemini Live, talk to it like an actual person, not like you're typing into a search box. Say what you want in plain, everyday words, then keep the conversation going back and forth. Make it warmer, nudge it slightly, try it in a different color. When you build a business notebook, feed it solid, real sources, because the notebook is only ever as sharp as what you put into it. And with thinking levels, don't max it out for everything. The deep modes burn through your limits a lot faster, so stay fast for quick questions and only crank it up when the problem's genuinely hard. And one more thing, update your app first, because a lot of these features land through app updates, so if you're not seeing them yet, that's probably why. This is exactly the kind of update that separates people who are actually keeping up with AI from people who are still using the same tools the same way they did 6 months ago. Small updates like these stacked together quietly change your entire workflow over time, and that's a much bigger deal than most people realize when they first see a list like this. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.